Why your friends are not saving the snaps being sent by you? If that's the condition, then here's an easy peasy problem recognition and a solution to that as well. So, first things first, let's open your Instagram. Now, once you open your Instagram, let me just take a snap of the CD. Now, after you've done it, you need to go to send to and you normally send it. But in order to make sure that your friends are saving your snaps and in order to let them save it, we need to go to the last option, which is like a timer and then slight vertical S over here. Now, this is mostly the time limit, and here are the numbers from 1 to 10 and then infinity. Now, whether you want your friends to view your snap for 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds, and so on to 1, or whether you want to let your friends see your snap for an infinite number of times, make sure that before sending your snaps, you have this infinite timer, which is also known as a no limit timer on, and then go here, and then you can see that this particular snap is on no limit timer. Had I put it in 10 seconds, it would be seen as 10 over here. Since now let me go to no limit, and then after you do this and then send it to your friends, they will be able to save your snap. So make sure you put your snaps on no limit and let your friends save your snap in chat for future years. Make sure to give our videos a thumbs up, comment if you want new contents or if you want an improvisations and feedbacks. We are more than free to receive them, and then stay tuned for more updates.